Okay guys, this is something I've always been wanting to try and we're finally here. So I did the Betty Boop's makeup recently and I just want to show you guys how I achieved this in 3 steps. Her major features had the eyes, lips and the hair, and that is what we're going to actually focus on in this video, because once you get these 3 things, basically gotten the whole makeup itself. So here, as you can see, she has her signature round eyes in the middle. I already created that. Use a primer to map that out and fill it in. Then you can literally go in with any eyeshadow. I am using orange and brown just to give it a little bit of that vintage look. And as you can see, I'm filling in the brown in the areas in a rounded motion. I'm filling that into the upper part of my eyebrows, and then in that rounded area has signature eye shape. I'm giving that a brown color and I'm cleaning it out to make sure it is smooth and flawlessly blended. So just blend that in. You can follow this video the way I did it to recreate your own. So I'm basically blending in the whole of the eyeshadow because I don't want it to have any harsh lines. Then my eyelashes, I'm just sweeping this because this eyelash is really old. So, and then my eyeliner, it is really not difficult. And of course your white eyeliner, because you want your eyes to look big. Applying this is going to give you that big rounded Betty Boop eyes. Yeah, and I'm just going in with a black eyeliner to really wing out the bottom part of my eye. That is going to create an illusion of a long eyelashes. I'm still going to apply eyelashes to this, but that area has to be really winged out so that the eyes will appear bigger and more, because you know how she always winks her eyes in a cute sexy way. Yeah, that is the purpose of these lashes. And make sure when you are using eyelashes, you are using one that doesn't have spaces. Use something that is covered up all through, no space. That is going to give you that authentic Betty Boop's eyes. For the foundation, just basically do your face the normal way. It's not difficult, no biggie. The main thing, like I said, is the eyes, the lips and the hair. For my lip, you saw that I used a red lipstick, of course, and now I'm applying my eyelashes right underneath that black one that I applied the first time. You see the effect is given. This is what I actually meant when I was explaining. Then Betty Boop has very tiny nose, so I'm just going to contour my nose in a way that is very slim. Yeah, and my makeup is not actually complete without spraying my entire face, so you have to dry it also. Now for the hair, this is the major part. This hairstyle, this is a body braid. I did this and it was just fortunate for me that I did this when I actually wanted to try the Betty Boop's makeup, because the hair really ate. I think the hair really brought out the makeup. All I had to do was get an eyeliner, pencil and a gel one and just apply that on my hair. Draw the hair the way Betty Boop's hair usually is. Yeah. Just filling that in a way that it looks like an edge sticker, like a tattoo edge sticker, so that it doesn't look so fake. So make sure when you are doing this, you're not doing this and covering the entire thing. Just leave some part of it at the edge out. It will give it a more natural feel to it. So cover that up, and this is basically it.
I love shuffle, tell me.